Hi everyone, welcome back. Since the last lecture, we added some fields that are not yet on our database. Those fields are specific to OmniAuth. OmniAuth needs those fields to authenticate the user, so let's go ahead and write them to our database. So to do this, we're going to create a new migration. So Rails generate migration. And we're going to add OmniAuth to user. And what are we going to add? We're going to add, first of all, we don't have a name. Our user doesn't have a name yet, so let's go ahead and make it. String. Provider. A UID. And last but not least, the OAuth credentials. So these are OAuth token, which is a string. And we need the OAuth expires at, which is a dates time. And that's okay. Let's try and run the migration, see what happens. Great. Now, the migrations were created in our DB folder. You can see them here. Migrate. This is the timestamp. So we're going to add a column called name, which is a string, a column called provider, also a string, a UID, an OAuth token, and the OAuth expires at. To insert these fields, new fields to the database, just type break db migrate. All done. I think it's a good time to do a commit since we did some changes on the last lecture. So first of all, let's see what we changed. Get status. Which looks like we configured our device.rb initializer. We added our abook.rb initializer, our facebook.yaml file storing our Facebook credentials. We added this migration and we configured the user model. So git add all, git commit message. So configured user model, added Facebook credentials, modified device initializer for OmniAuth. Doesn't really matter what you write here, just a way of keeping yourself organized. And what else? Oh yeah, we added the ebook environment distinguisher. Stupid actually. The ebook RB file. And finally, we generated migration with additional OmniAuth fields. Okay, go ahead and commit it, and finally let's push it to our GitHub account. Git push u origin master. All done.